We'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here. In here you're looking for DoorDash app, or just click on search. So when you click here on search here, you here Shortmax, sorry, you add here Shortmax, then it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, then you search here for Shortmax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.